everyone, and welcome to Peculiar's Child's Kitchen. How are you doing and how has been your day? Thanks for watching and subscribing to this channel. And if you are new on this channel, please kindly like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the red notification button to enjoy more of my video. Thank you. Today I'll be showing you how to make dinner roll. The following are the ingredients we are going to be using for our dinner roll. 5 cups of all-purpose flour, 8 tablespoons of melted butter, 6 tablespoons of sugar, 5 teaspoons of active dry yeast, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 3 eggs, and 350 milliliter of milk, which is optional. If you like, you can use water, but make sure the milk or the water is warm. It's very warm, not very hot, but very warm. Let's get started with our cooking. First, we are going to be adding 1 tablespoon of sugar into our milk, 1 tablespoon of sugar into our milk. Then we stir it a little for the sugar to get dissolved. And after, we are going to be adding the yeast. We are going to mix the yeast into the milk, mix it, then we set it aside till the yeast gets bubbled. We are going to be setting it aside for 5 minutes. Now this is our yeast. After 5 minutes, you see it is well formed and it's already smelling bread. So now we are going to be adding our remaining sugar into the yeast, then the butter, the salt, and also the egg. We are going to mix all of it until they are well combined. And after, we are going to be adding the flour. We are going to add the flour bit by bit, add and mix. There might be some lumps inside at first, but don't worry. Add it and whisk. Mix it till it is well combined. And when it gets to this stage, now we can use our clean hand to remove it from the wicks. Use your hand to remove it from the wick stick. Then we are going to be transferring the dough onto a surface where you'll be able to work on it. But before transferring it on the surface, you have to sprinkle little flour on the surface to prevent the dough from sticking to the surface. Then we are going to start kneading the dough onto the surface. You have to fold it like this and push it out. Press it and push it out. Continue kneading the dough until it is well soft and smooth. And when you see that it is smooth and soft, we are going to be transferring it into another greased bowl. This is my bowl, bigger one to be precise. This is our dough. It is beautiful. Then you are going to cover it with a plastic wrap, and after, if you like, you can still cover it with a kitchen towel. It is good. Then you are going to be leaving it for 3 hours. Welcome back. So this is our dough after 3 hours that we have left it, and as you can see, it has doubled the size we left. And now we are going to be transferring our dough onto a slightly floured surface. Okay. Then we are going to put it together like this. It is so soft and smooth. As you can see, it is so fresh. Now we are going to make a long shape of it. Then we are going to be cutting it. This is our cutter. We are going to be cutting it into pieces again, like this. Sprinkle some flour on your cutter so that the dough will not stick to your cutter. Cut it to some pieces. Cut it. Okay. And after, you are going to be making a ball. As you can see, I'm making a rounded ball. It is very soft and smooth, so succulent. Then you continue the process like that. So after placing the dough into a greased baking pan, we are going to be covering it, and we are going to be setting it aside for 45 minutes. The dough is well covered now, and we are going to be preheating our oven to 190 degrees. I hope you have been enjoying the video so far. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you very much. I love you. Our dinner roll is ready now. As you can see, it looks so fresh. It looks so delicious. And now we are going to be having a taste of it. This is our dinner roll. It's so fresh, so soft, and it smells so delicious. Now we are going to be having a bite. It is so delicious, super delicious. It is wonderfully made and wonderfully baked. Thank you very much, guys, for watching this video with me. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.